There seems to be a lot of earthquakes lately. I think it's due to my warped rotors. So, we're gonna change them today. Start by jacking up the car. Always use axle stands for safety. For this project you'll need a breaker bar, the correct socket for your lug nuts, and a wheel key if your lug nuts need one. You will also need a set of sockets. Okay, start by taking the wheels off your car. There are those rusty earthquake makers. I've got a set of 4 slotted and drilled rotors for extra braking power. Remove the 2 bolts holding the caliper on. They should be behind the rotor. There should be one on the top and one on the bottom. Once the bolts are out, the caliper should just slide right off. Once the caliper is off, make sure it's somewhere where it's not hanging. Now you should be able to remove the rotor. Make sure you clean your new rotors with brake cleaner. This will prevent squeaking. Once the new rotor is on, you should be able to slide the caliper back into place. Now put the 2 bolts holding the caliper on back in. And your new rotor is installed. Now put your wheels back on, drop your car down, and admire your work.